Welcome to Kids Op.
Meet the primary colors.
Hi, friends! I'm Red. I'm bold, brave, and full of energy.
Hello, hello. I'm Yellow. I giggle, I glow, I shine like the sun.
Nice to meet you, friends. I'm Blue, cool, calm, and peaceful like the sky.
These three are the primary colors. You can't make them by mixing other colors. By mixing these three colors, all other colors can be made. They're the leaders of all colors.
The primary color heroes.
Red, yellow, blue, the color heroes true. You can't mix them, no you can't. They're the colors that all others plant. Brings the fire, yellow brings the sun, blue brings the cool. Now the fun's begun. Mixing magic, making new friends. Let's mix our heroes and see what new friends appear. If we mix red and yellow, it becomes orange.
Hi! I'm Orange. Fun, fruity.
If we mix yellow and blue, it becomes green.
I'm green. I love trees, nature, and everything fresh.
If we mix red and blue, it becomes purple.
Hello! I'm purple, magical, royal, and sparkly.
Mix, 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 let the colors play. Mix, 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 make new shades today. Red and yellow make orange bright. Yellow, blue make green just right. Blue and red make purple true. So many colors from just a few.